What's going on, guys? We're back this week with another video. This week I'm going to be showing you guys the camper that I built out of an old SUV. I'm going to be showing you guys what I built, what I like about it, and how you guys can build your own. All right, so the car that I chose to convert into a camper is a 2012 Honda Pilot. It's got about 220,000 miles on it right now, and I'm hoping to push it to 300,000. I chose an old SUV over a van or a bus because it's a lot easier to convert and it's also a lot cheaper. It really only cost me like $100 to convert this. Also, the gas mileage in an SUV is a lot better than you get in a van or a bus. And if you're looking to do some stealth camping or urban camping, it's definitely a lot easier to get away with if you're using an SUV. All right, so this is the back of the SUV. You can see the bed frame down here. You can see Daisy, she's enjoying it. You can see I have a blanket here. It's on top of a mattress pad. This mattress pad is about 2 inches thick. It's super comfortable. Underneath the mattress pad, I put a little handle here on the wood. When you lift this up, there's a bunch of storage underneath. So you can see I got the tent here, you got the hammock, we got the mattress pads, you got all the essentials like Catan. All right, so when you come around to the side, move these two pillows. You can see I put another handle right here. So when you lift this up, there's more storage underneath. So I have a couple chairs in there right now, but there's plenty of space here. So if you're going on a camping trip or a road trip, plenty of room for all your food, all your camping gear, your cooking gear, anything that you need. All right, so this is the frame we just took out of the Pilot. It's very simple. On top, we have a plank of wood. Everything else supporting the plank of wood is just 2x4. So the materials combined probably cost less than $100. We have some wood, have a couple hinges, and a couple handles. These were like $1 a piece, so it really wasn't too expensive. All right, so the great thing about this design is it's super simple. You really don't need many tools to get it done. We used a drill and a table saw that we borrowed, so rather than going out and buying your own tools, you really don't have to. Just ask a family member or a friend if they have some extra. Oftentimes people have them lying around that they don't even use. So it's really customizable for your car because obviously every SUV is different. We mainly did it off of guess and check. So we took some measurements, we got some wood, and we see what worked for the back of the Pilot. And then at the end, we had this design. It took us less than a day to do, so it was really quick. And anyone can do this. It's super simple. Just take the seats out of the back of your car, take some measurements, and try to build something like this. I have no carpentry experience, and like I said, we did it in a day, so it really wasn't too bad. So I took the plank here on the top and I cut it into 3 different sections. I added some hinges here in the middle, so that way when I attach the handle, I can lift it up like this, get the storage underneath, and the base is still leveled for the bed. All right, guys, well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of the Honda Pilot SUV conversion that we made. Super easy to make, and I definitely recommend doing it if you have an old SUV sitting around. One of the main benefits of this conversion is it's super cheap to make and it's super customizable. So if you have a different SUV, you can build something similar if you want some storage underneath, and there's plenty of room to sleep on top. I'm 6'3" and I fit perfectly, so even if you're worried about the amount of space you'll have on top, there's plenty. So out of all the benefits of the conversion for the SUV, I think that the stealth, the miles per gallon, and the cost to make it are definitely the biggest benefits. So I'd highly recommend doing it. And if you have any further questions or would like any further tips on how to make it or how to get started, feel free to leave a comment and I'll get back to you. All right, if you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for weekly adventures. Thanks so much for watching.